Hey there! Welcome to today's English lesson. You're listening to Talkie Talkie. Easy English and real talk. Let's chat about real life. Hey there! Welcome back to Talkie Talkie. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, let's talk about something simple, but very important. Healthy eating. And why? I try to eat healthy every day. Ready? Let's go. A few years ago, I didn't eat healthy at all. I loved fast food. I drank a lot of soda. And sweets? Oh, I loved them. Cookies, chocolate, cakes. Every day, every meal. Something sweet. It made me happy. Or I thought it did. But my body was not happy. I felt tired, lazy, heavy. Every day was the same. Wake up tired, work tired, sleep tired. It wasn't fun. It wasn't living. Something needed to change. One morning, I woke up and looked at myself in the mirror. And I asked, is this how I want to feel forever? The answer was simple. That day, I made a decision. I didn't plan a big diet. I didn't count calories. I simply decided, I will eat better. One meal at a time. So, how did I start? Very small steps. In the morning, I drank a glass of water. Simple, clear, refreshing. Then I started eating fruits. An apple, a banana, maybe some berries. I replaced soda with water or herbal tea. I cooked simple meals at home. Rice, vegetables, chicken, nothing fancy. Just real food. Food that made my body feel good. After 1 week, I started to feel different. More energy, better sleep. No heavy feeling after eating. And the biggest surprise? My mood changed too. I smiled more. I laughed more. I felt lighter, inside and out. Of course, some days were hard. Sometimes I wanted ice cream. Sometimes I wanted chips. And sometimes I gave in. But that's okay. Because it's not about being perfect. It's about being kind to yourself. And trying. Again and again. Now, healthy eating is part of my life. It's not a rule. It's not a prison. It's freedom. It's choosing food that gives life. It's choosing love for my body. It's choosing energy and happiness. Eating healthy doesn't mean no chocolate. It means more balance, more care, more smiles. What about you? How do you feel after you eat? Do you feel light or heavy? What small change can you make today? Maybe drinking a glass of water? Maybe eating one more vegetable? Maybe cooking a simple meal at home? It's the small steps that build a big life. So, that's my story. That's why I try to eat healthy every day. Not because I have to, but because I want to feel good, alive, happy. And you can too. Let's review the words. Healthy means good for your body. Energy means power to do things. Fresh means new and clean. Heavy means not light, difficult to move. Tired means you need rest. Soda is a sweet, fizzy drink. Vegetables are healthy foods like carrots and broccoli. Balance is when things are even, not too much or too little. Decision means making a choice. Simple means easy, not complicated. Thanks for listening to Talkie Talkie. I hope you enjoyed our little chat. If you liked it, come back for more real-life English. Spoken slow, spoken real. Like the episode, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new talk. See you next time.